Hello my friends, today I'm Nessie, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money from posting comments on Facebook. Easy as that. You make money, you earn 25 cents for each comment you post on Facebook. Let me show you how you can do this. The platform is OLSP, and you have two ways to make money with OLSP, okay? You can see my balance, my commissions. I have $373 in my balance, and so there are two ways you can earn money from the platform. One, you send traffic, you get the link, that's the mega link. You need to pay one time, guys, one time $7, and you purchase the mega link, which comes with a lot of training videos. And now I'm going to show you how you can make money from posting comments on Facebook. So I will leave the link under this video so you can join me, and you can also get training from me. And once you sign up, you purchase the mega link, which is only one time, $7, not monthly fee, only one time. And then you go to, I will show you how easy it is to make those comments. You click on dashboard and you go to the Comment Dominator Pro. Okay, you click Access Product. If you want, you can watch the video, the training video, from the 8th minute. Okay, from the 8th minute you can watch it, or just follow the steps over here. Earn commissions in 3 simple steps. You see I have in my balance $1.50. It adds up to your total balance, and with the other commissions you see I already made 13 comments. And if I click so you will find the comments, you will find the links over here, so you can comment on them. I will show you one, and you can do it the same. Just copy what I'm doing, and if I go to my comments, you can see I have pending, I have commissions, I have few commissions assigned also here. Okay, these are commissions assigned that I already got, and so it takes 7 days, up to 7 days until the team approved your comments, and then you get the commission. Okay, so it adds up to, you see comments 25 cents. It's add up to your total balance, so you can make money from easy. It's really easy and free. You only pay one time, and you can make money as long as you want. You can comment, you can check every few hours your under the Comment Dominator Pro. I will show you how you can do it. So you click on the view, you can view the post, and you just, now when you post over here, when you comment over here, don't post like congrats or thanks or something like that, because the team won't approve your, don't put something silly, put something serious, so the team will approve, the OLSP team will approve your comment, so you can get the commission. So I'm going to comment over here. Let's say I would like to access the replay, I would like to watch the replay, something like that. I would like to watch the replay. And apply your two-list strategy. Okay. apply your to list strategy. Okay, something like that, so the team can approve your comment. I would like to watch the replay and apply your to list strategy. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight it and copy. And I'm going to click over here. And that's it. Now I'm going back to my back office and just click submit and paste it over here. And that's it, create, and I click on create, and that's it. I'm not going to do the second one, but you got the idea. This is how you can comment and earn for free money from posting comments on Wayne's posts. Really easy. And if I refresh this page, now I have 14 comments. Few of them you saw are still pending, but that's it. This is how you can make money from just posting comments on Facebook. I will leave the link under the video in the details, and if you want, I will also leave my Facebook address, so you can if you want a free training with me, or on Zoom, on how to make money with this platform, you can send me a friend request and I will approve you, and we can go to one-on-one coaching. You can go to one-on-one coaching with me. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.